Welcome to our exploration of creative wooden planters, where artistry meets functionality in enhancing home and garden decor. In an era where personal expression and sustainability are paramount, wooden planters provide an ideal solution for those looking to beautify their outdoor spaces while making environmentally conscious choices. Whether you're a seasoned gardening enthusiast, an interior decorator seeking to add unique touches to your spaces, or a DIY lover searching for creative projects, this video is tailored to inspire and empower you. Wooden planters are not merely containers for plants. They are expressions of style, creativity, and nature that can transform any garden into a vibrant oasis. As we navigate a world increasingly focused on individuality and eco-friendliness, the appeal of wooden planters becomes ever more significant. These planters offer a blend of aesthetic charm and practical functionality, making them a perfect addition to any garden or home decor. From rustic styles that evoke a sense of nostalgia to sleek, modern designs that cater to contemporary tastes, the versatility of wooden planters knows no bounds. In this guide, we will delve into various innovative ideas for wooden planters, exploring how they can enhance your outdoor spaces while also serving as lucrative opportunities for creators and sellers. Whether you're looking to elevate your gardening game, start a new business, or simply find inspiration for your next project, join us on this journey to discover the myriad ways wooden planters can enrich your life and environment. If you're new to our community, we warmly invite you to subscribe and join us on this exciting journey through the world of creative wooden planters and home decor. Your support means everything to us, and subscribing ensures you won't miss any of our upcoming content filled with innovative ideas and inspiration. For our loyal followers, we encourage you to like and share our posts to spread the word about these unique wooden creations. Your engagement helps us reach more gardening enthusiasts and decor lovers. And don't forget to smash that notification bell so you're always alerted when we publish new articles, tips, or projects. Together, we can cultivate a vibrant community that celebrates creativity, sustainability, and the beauty of nature in our homes and gardens. Thank you for being a part of our journey. The intersection of creativity and commerce in home and garden decor presents a wealth of opportunities, especially when it comes to wooden planters. As more homeowners seek to personalize their outdoor spaces, the demand for unique, aesthetically pleasing, and functional planters is on the rise. This detailed exploration will delve into innovative wooden planter ideas that not only enhance garden aesthetics, but also offer profitable avenues for creators and sellers. The appeal of wooden planters. Wooden planters have a timeless appeal that resonates with consumers seeking warmth and natural beauty in their gardens. Their organic texture and color blend harmoniously with the outdoor environment, making them a popular choice for homeowners. Furthermore, wooden planters can evoke a sense of nostalgia and craftsmanship, which adds to their allure. By capitalizing on these qualities, sellers can position their products as essential decor items that enhance the overall ambience of any garden. Custom designs for every taste. The versatility of wooden planters allows for a wide range of designs catering to different tastes and styles. Modern homeowners may prefer sleek, minimalist designs, while others might lean towards whimsical, rustic styles. Offering customizable options, such as engraved names or personalized colors, can attract a broader audience. This personal touch not only makes the product unique, but also creates an emotional connection with buyers, encouraging them to choose your planters over mass-produced alternatives. Upcycling wood for sustainability. Sustainability is a significant trend in today's market. By using reclaimed or upcycled wood, you can create planters that appeal to eco-conscious consumers. This practice not only minimizes waste, but also adds character to each planter, as reclaimed wood often features unique imperfections and stories. Marketing your planters as sustainable can differentiate your brand and attract a clientele that values ethical consumption. Planters with multifunctionality. Innovative designs that incorporate multifunctionality can significantly increase the value of wooden planters. consider creating planters that serve as seating, storage units, or even trellises for climbing plants. This versatility appeals to consumers looking for practical solutions for their outdoor spaces. By highlighting these features in your marketing, you can attract buyers searching for efficiency and creativity in their garden decor. Seasonal themes and decor. Adapting your planter designs to reflect seasonal themes can keep your offerings fresh and engaging. For example, creating festive planters for holidays like Christmas or Halloween can encourage seasonal purchases. Additionally, offering planters in colors that reflect the changing seasons can attract customers looking to refresh their decor throughout the year. This strategy not only boosts sales during peak times, but also fosters a sense of community as customers return for new seasonal offerings. DIY kits for creative shoppers. The DIY trend has gained tremendous popularity, and offering DIY planter kits can tap into this market. Providing all necessary materials and clear instructions allows customers to enjoy the creative process while producing their own unique planters. This not only enhances the customer experience, but also opens up additional revenue streams for your business. Engaging with customers through social media by encouraging them to share their creations can further promote your brand and products. Marketing through social media. Effective marketing is crucial for any business, especially in the visually driven world of home and garden decor. Utilize platforms like Instagram and Pinterest to showcase your wooden planters in beautifully styled environments. High-quality images and engaging storytelling can captivate potential buyers. Collaborating with influencers in the gardening and home decor niches can also expand your reach, driving traffic to your website and increasing sales. Workshops and classes. Hosting workshops where participants can learn to create their own wooden planters can enhance your brand's visibility and credibility. These hands-on experiences not only promote your products, but also establish you as an expert in the field. Participants are likely to purchase materials from you for their projects, creating a direct sales opportunity. Additionally, workshops foster a community atmosphere, encouraging repeat business and customer loyalty. Collaborating with local businesses. Building relationships with local nurseries, garden centers, or home decor stores can significantly enhance your visibility in the market. By showcasing your wooden planters in established retail spaces, you can attract customers who may not have discovered your brand online. This collaboration can create a supportive local ecosystem, benefiting all businesses involved while increasing sales. Emphasizing quality and craftsmanship. Consumers are increasingly discerning about the quality of the products they purchase. By focusing on superior craftsmanship and durable materials, you can justify higher price points for your wooden planters. Highlighting the intricate details and effort that go into each piece can resonate with buyers who appreciate artisanal quality. Consider sharing behind-the-scenes content to showcase your production process, further enhancing the perceived value of your products. Thank you for watching. We truly appreciate your time and support as we explore the world of creative wooden planters and garden decor. If you enjoyed the content, please consider subscribing to stay updated on our latest ideas and projects. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends and fellow gardening enthusiasts who might find inspiration here. Your engagement helps us grow our community and continue bringing you exciting content. We look forward to sharing more with you soon.